Hi, and welcome to Alinea Legal Coaching's Legal Coaching Tip of the Day. As you can see, we're in our Duncan office today. The background's a little bit different than in our Victoria office. Anyhow, today I want to share an observation rather than a tip, and perhaps it will guide you moving forward. So I've seen a difference between the people who are able to deal with their separation and divorce and move on to lead happy and fulfilled lives after their separation, divorce. And I see the difference between the people who get stuck in a rut and are bitterly fighting out their divorce for years and years. The main difference is that those who are bitterly fighting it out for years and years are fighting to win or lose. Those who are able to come to a reasonable settlement and move on with their lives are looking to preserve the family unit going forward and come to a settlement that everyone can live with. So if you approach your divorce and separation like it's a battle to be won or lost, it's going to be a really challenging time for you, and it could continue for years. Now on to Q and R's questions for the day. Q asks, do lawyers have the power to arrest people in court? No, we don't arrest people ourselves. We can leave that to the sheriffs or the police. The judge can direct the sheriff to arrest someone if they aren't listening to their directions. But no, generally, lawyers don't have that power to arrest people. Now, R asks something else. What happens if someone in court has to pee? Now, that's kind of a good question, actually. So what you need to know is that the court schedule has breaks built in. So you start at 9:30 usually in provincial court, and between 11 and 11:30 there's a 15-minute break. So use your breaks, go to the washroom before court starts, use your breaks at that time to go to the washroom. There's also a lunch break at 12:30 until 2, and then another afternoon break at 3 to 3:30. Supreme Court's the same, except it starts at 10, break around 11 to 11:30, and stops for lunch 12:30 till 2, and then another break in the afternoon from 3 till 3:30. So if you have to go to pee in between that, as long as you're not the one on the you're not one of the lawyers or the judges, you might be able to sneak away and use the loo, but I strongly recommend you use those breaks. All right, that's it for today. Thank you.